How to fix Apple Watch answering phone calls automatically. Ensure that your iPhone and Apple Watch have the latest software updates. If you want to turn off or on this auto-answering feature, follow these steps. You can do this on your iPhone or watch. First, turn off or on auto-answer on watch. 1. Tap Settings on your watch. 2. Scroll down and tap Accessibility. 3. Scroll down and tap Auto-answer calls. Now, in addition to turning off and on this feature, you have the option to adjust the time limit after which calls are automatically answered. By setting the number of seconds, your watch will wait before answering a call. You can choose any value between 1 second and 60 seconds. Second, turn on or off auto-answer on iPhone. You can also turn on or off this feature via the Watch app on your iPhone. Here is how. 1. Open the Watch app on your iPhone and tap My Watch tab, then tap Accessibility. 2. Scroll down and tap Auto Answer Calls. And then again you can turn off or on this feature. You can also set the time duration in seconds.